As always, please retry the question before watching the video. There's only two things you need to know to be able to answer this question. If you don't know the answer to either of them, please add them to your cheat sheet, master them, and go back 5 before continuing in the video. First, what is the RC, the recognized category for understanding grouping? The answer is it actually asks you a question. If you see the other prompts, they all just say the same thing every time. On understanding questions, though, it actually asks us a question, and we want to be, for the WTD, as literal as possible. And that's the answer to the next question. What is the WTD for all understanding questions? Be as literal as possible. So this is specifically the literals category, but if you can just recognize that it is an understanding question, regardless of what category it is, you just want to be as literal as possible, and especially true on literals. So the question asks us, which choice best suggests that the effect of the cold air on, however you pronounce your name, was immediate? All right, so we're going to go through these and ask ourselves, do any of them not express immediacy? Snapped, answer A, is very immediate. So that definitely conveys that. Probably going to be our right answer. Pulled does not have to be immediate. Lured does not have to be immediate. Drew does not have to be immediate. The only one that is undeniably, it can't be anything other than immediate, is snapped, which is answer A. If this made sense to you, please add it to your worksheet. Write what you learned along with the answer on the explanation side, and then continue on to do the remaining literals questions that you missed on this test. If this is the final literals question that you missed on this test, please go ahead and do the literals mastery until you get 10 questions correct in a row before moving on to the next category.